Come in. Hi, guys. Thanks for bringing my briefcase. I can't believe I forgot it at home.
No problem, Mr. Tone. Hey, do you play the guitar?
Sonny, didn't you know my dad wanted to be a rock star? But it was just a fantasy, right, Dad?
Well, it's not. Fantasies are forever.
Huh? What do you mean, Dad?
Well, you remember me telling you about Mr. Joe? He practically raised me, and he taught me to play the guitar. We sure had a lot of good times together.